Yo, what's up guys? Kyle Jits Player here. I'm here with my beautiful wife Morgan.
Hello.
Alright, so we just got here. It's 8:06 right now. It's called Mount Tammany. Alright, so we left the house around like 5:30 a.m. It's about like 1.5 2 hour drive depending on the traffic, but we are here right now. We're gonna take the pups. We got the pups with us right here. Xena girl, she's been crying for like the whole time, and Luca baby over there, he just chilled. Hopefully we're gonna get some cool clips for you guys. We're gonna take you on a hike with us, and yeah, we're gonna see you at the top of this mountain. All right. You know, we gotta take care of business before we go on this hike. You know what I'm saying?
No, Xena. Oh my god.
This is a really cool trail. We're only like probably 3 minutes in and it's already pretty cool. Can't wait to get to the top. Let's go. Wait.
Like right here. It looks so cool right here.
It's a cool spot.
Can you take a picture with that?
Alright, so this is pretty dope. Look at all these. Hold on, bud. Oh my god. We're catching up. Oh shit. It's kind of hard to film and do all that, but guys, really cool trail. If you're in the PA area, I'm gonna post a link in the description so you guys can check it out. I highly recommend it. And this is only on the one side of it. This is the Jersey side, and then the other side is the PA side. So there's two sides, but this is the red trail. I think the other one's a little easier, so we picked the hardest one. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just had to come all the way down there. It's really steep and there's some icy spot on there, so we almost flipped off. But we made it up here and we're gonna keep going. See you guys at the top. Alright guys, so we made it to the top. Morgan's behind me right now since we have the dogs. I don't want the dogs to come down here. Pretty steep, but check the views. It's like still super foggy right now, but I'm gonna try to get down there to show a little bit more and I'll be right back up. Let's go. Wow. Alright, so I'm not gonna go down anymore because that just looks really dangerous, but you guys can see like how steep that is. All the way down there goes the highway. That's the Delaware Bridge, Delaware border gate. This is so sick. Alright, we're gonna try to get back to the ground, to the parking lot. I'll see you guys back in the car. Guys, when we got to the top, it's probably like way colder, and there was like ice and snow everywhere. But look at this. You want to go swim? He might as well go swim. So I hope you guys liked the video. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a sub. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. I will try my best to post every single weekend. Probably on Sunday. This would be like my gaming stuff, adventure with Morgan, the dogs, just all things that we like to do. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out, guys.